friends, today I'm going to show you how to load data from Excel file to SQL Server database table. As I said in my first video on SSIS, you should have to have SQL Server Management Studio, Visual Studio and SQL Server Data Tools or SSDT. First of all, you should open your Visual Studio and let's create a new project. It should be a new integration service project. I will search for integration. Here you will see integration services projects. Click on that and then click on next. You can give any name as you wish. I will give project name as SSIS example. If you want, you can change the project location as well. Then click on create. Here is our working environment. Here you will see SSIS toolbox. First of all, in order to create your project, you have to drag and drop data flow task into your working environment. Here you will see data flow task. I will drag and drop it into our working environment. Now you have to double click on this data flow task. Here our task is to load data from an Excel file. So from this toolbox we should have to search for Excel source tool. And you will see this Excel source tool inside other sources. Here is other sources. Inside other sources you will see Excel source. Then you have to drag and drop this Excel source into our working environment. Then the data will be added into the SQL table. So our destination will be OLEDB destination and it is under other destination category. Under the other destinations you will see OLEDB destination. Now you have drag and drop it into your working environment. Now click on Excel source. You will see two arrows, green color arrow and a red color arrow. You have to connect this gray color arrow with the OLEDB destination. Now double click on Excel source. Here you will see Excel source editor. Here we have to load our Excel file into this. First we have to click on new. Now click on browse. From here I will select product Excel sheet. Then click on open. Click on OK. From this combo box you have to select the sheet in where your data is present. It shows sheet 1. On your left side you will see columns option. Click on that. Here you will see all the columns which are present on the Excel sheet. From the error output, it will show all the errors. Here you will see preview option and it will show all the data that present in the Excel sheet. Finally, click on OK. Now I'm going to create a new database. Go inside your SQL Server Management Studio. Here you will see databases. Right click on that and click on new database. My new database name will be SSIS. Then click on OK. Now let's see how to connect the database. First double click on OLEDB destination. This is the OLEDB destination editor. Click on new. Then here you have to add your SQL server. Let's see how to add a new SQL server. You have to click on new. Inside the SQL server name, let's give local within brackets. Here you will see another combo box. Select or enter a database name. Click on this. You will see all the databases that you have created. My database name is SSIS. Here you have test connection. Click on that. You will see text connection succeed. If it is connected successfully, you will see this message after clicking on test connection. Now click on OK. Here select the connection that you need, local SSIS. Then click on OK. Here you will see a combo box to enter the name of the table. From this option, we have to select the database table that we want to move data. For that, we should have to create a table inside our database. You can create your table by using query, or you can create a new table by right clicking on tables, new table, and also you have another option. You can click new button here. Here it will show the table that you need to create. Here you will see create table OLEDB destination. I will change my table name as product table. Here you will see all the columns that we have. Now click on OK button. Here you will see our product table has been created automatically. With the option view existing, you will see all the data inside our product table which I created in SQL Server. Here you will see the mapping option. Click on that. In here you have to map all the column names in the Excel sheet with the field names in the SQL table. Now it has mapped automatically. I will delete these things. Let's see how to map them manually. Click on year, then drag and drop this year into year which is in another site, month, and then drag and drop product, drag and drop rating. If there is any error, you will see it in error output. Now click on OK. Now our destination also configured successfully. We can rename these tasks. I'll rename Excel source as product because my Excel sheet's name is product. And I will rename OLEDB destination as product table. Now let's see how to run this project. Click on the start button. Here you will see green color ticks. It says that our project runs successfully. Let's see whether the data in the Excel sheet has loaded into our SQL table. First, I am going to refresh my SSIS database. Then, from here you have to select database name as SSIS. Now, I will write the query, select all from product table. Here is our product table. This video will show you how to load data from Excel sheet to SQL database table. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.